Namaskar. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to this online yoga session. Embassy of India in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia welcomes you all as we are facing the critical time of coronavirus nowadays. So it is necessary to be fit, healthy, and our immune system is boosted. So our embassy has decided to boost up the immunity by way of yoga and strengthening our physical and mental health. So we have been practicing yoga techniques for not only physical health but also mental peace and inner happiness. So today we will practice certain Sukshma Vyayam and standing postures followed by pranayama. So kindly sit in cross-legged condition. This is Sukhasana, or you can sit in Ardha Padmasana, half lotus posture, or you can sit in full lotus posture like this, whatever is convenient to you. In meditative posture, sit in Gyan Mudra, index finger and thumbs together, resting on the knees. Spine erect, head straight, facial expression pleasant, peaceful, eyes gently closed. We will start humming 3 times. Inhale deeply. Gently open your eyes. Stretch your legs forward. Ready for Sukshma Vyayam, micro exercises. Sit in Dandasana. This is Dandasana. And place your hands sideways. Bend your toe fingers from first joint and keep it bent. Pull it towards you. Bend it. Pull it 4-5 times. Bend. Inward pulling. Push it downward. Pull it inward. Now this next is ankle joint exercise. Push your forefeet downward. Keep your spine straight. Pull it towards you. Pull it in such a way that your heels are lifted slightly and you feel complete stretch in your calf muscles, knee joint and thigh muscles. Again, push it downward. Push your forefeet downward and pull it inward. Now bend your forefeet towards the right. Bend it towards the left. Rotate the forefeet clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Come back. Now hold your right leg. I will show you from this way. hold your right leg and rotate your forefoot clockwise, reverse, anti-clockwise. Now stretch your leg upward and pull your toes inward. Push the heel outward and press the knee downward. Keeping the leg straight, pull it upward as far as possible. Feel the impact on your knee joint, calf muscles and thigh muscles also. Breathe normally. Slowly come down. Now lift your left leg and rotate the forefoot clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Stretch the leg straight. Pull the toes inward. Push the heel outward and press the knee downward. Feel the impact on your leg muscles, calf muscles, thigh muscles and knee joint. Slowly come back, relax, and now hip joint exercise. This is butterfly. Grip your toes and place your heels near to your perineum region and knees up and down. Come back. This is the exercises we have done for lower portion of the body and knee joint, hip joint and ankles and toe fingers. Now stretch your arms forward and bend your finger from first joint, second joint, make the fist. Open, again bend it, open. Now with your right hand, pull the fingers of left hand inward. Come back. Now push the hand inward. Come back. Pull now with your left hand, pull the fingers of right hand inward. These are the very good exercises for those working on the computer for hours together. Push the hand inward. This is exercise for finger joints as well as wrist. Now rotate the fist outwardly. Inwardly. Now place your finger jointly on the shoulders and combine the elbows. Inhaling, raise your shoulders, raise your elbows up and exhaling back and down. Inhaling forward and up, exhaling back and down. One more round. Inhaling forward and up, exhaling back and down. Now reverse movement. Inhaling back and up, exhaling forward and down. Inhaling back and up, exhaling forward and down. Inhaling back and up, exhaling forward and down. Now place your hands on your waist, sideways, and inhaling, raise your shoulders up and exhaling forward, down, inhaling back and up, exhaling forward and down. Reverse. Inhaling forward, up, exhaling back and down, inhaling forward, up, exhaling back and down. These are the shoulders exercises. Now neck movements. There are two kinds of neck movements. One is flexibility exercises and other is neck muscles strengthening exercises. So first we will practice flexibility exercises. A word of caution for those suffering from cervical spondylitis: they should not bend their head forward or move the head forward, and other exercises can be done by them. Now inhaling, raise your head up, exhaling, head down, inhaling, chin up, exhaling, chin down, inhaling, come to normal, exhaling, turn to right. In turned condition, you can stay there for few moments with normal breathing. Now inhaling, come back to center, exhaling, turn to left, stay there with normal breathing. Inhaling, come to center. Again, exhaling, turn to right. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, turn to left. Inhaling, come to center. Now neck muscles strengthening exercise. Make a grip and put it on your forehead. Push your head forward. Come back. Place the grip behind your head and push your head backward. Come back. Place your right hand on right side. Push your head toward the right side. Come back. Place your left hand on the left side. Push your head left side. Come back. Now place your hand below the jaw and push your jaw upward. Come back. Place your fist below the chin and in between the pit neck. And push your chin downward. Come back. Now these are the commonly exercises for covering all the joints. Now we will practice certain asanas in standing condition. Please stand up on your mat. First we will practice Trikonasana. Sorry. Stretch your sideways comfortably as is convenient to you, and turn your right foot in right angle direction parallel to the body, and stretch your arms horizontally. Now bend towards the right side, keeping the body perpendicular, and whatever is the limit, you can, if you are able to reach this much, you can hold your knee and do like this, or you can go further Ideally, you have to reach up to the ankle, but with the practice in due course, you will be able to perform the complete ideal posture. Look up, slowly come back, turn your right foot inside and left foot in right ankle direction. Breathe normally, and while inhale, while exhaling, bend down. Reach up to the ankle and look up towards your right palm. Maintain perpendicular posture. Don't lean forward. Slowly come back. Relax. In this posture, there is a concept of bending the inner organs one side and expanding the others. One side inner organs are contracted, one side inner organs are expanded. So with the expansion and contraction, there is a good blood flow, and that strengthens the internal organs and internal systems. Now, Kati Chakrasana. Before Kati Chakrasana, we will do backward bend. Okay. This is half circle posture. Spread your legs comfortably. This is Ardha Chakrasana. Place your palms on your waist and inhaling, bend back. Breathe normally. Slowly come back. Relax. While relaxing, just close your eyes. Leave your body totally free, relaxed. Next is sideways twist, standing twisting posture. It is called Kati Chakrasana. Open your legs. Straighten your arms forward and inhale. Exhaling, bend, turn towards right side. Breathe normally. Slowly come back. Now bend towards left side. Your right hand on the left shoulder. This Kati Chakrasana gives a beautiful twist and massaging to your abdominal region. Slowly come back. Relax. Now, next in sequence is forward bend. Again, stretch your legs outside and place your hands on the waist and keeping the spine straight, bend forward. You have not to make your spine hunch. Keep the spine straight and bend forward as far as possible. In the beginning you will be able to do this, then you can go further down, go further down, go further down, and feel the stretch in your spine and your knee joints. Keep the knee straight, don't bend down. Slowly, slowly come back. Sit down. This is a few sequence of standing postures, and now we will do one lying down condition posture. So lie down in Shavasana, in supine condition, legs apart, hands apart. Relax. You have to relax after each asana. Now, Tadasana. Stretch your arms towards the head and legs downward. You can make a grip and stretch your arms and legs in opposite direction, keeping the navel point at the center. Breathe normally. Slowly, slowly come back. Relax in Savasana. Alert for Uttan Padasana. Okay. Alert your body state and stretch your legs downward and lift them to 30 degree and hold it. In case of backache, you have to lift with one leg only, half Ardha Uttan Padasana, and lift it up to 60 degree. Further lift up to 90 degree. Hold it with normal breathing. Slowly, slowly come down, relax, resting on 60 degree, 30 degree, and down. This Uttan Padasana helps in strengthening of the abdominal organs, strengthening the digestive system. Relax. Now alert for wind releasing posture, that is Pavan Muktasana. Bend your both the legs and grip your legs with the interlocking with the grip, and inhaling, press your knees towards your chest, and exhaling, hug your knees, take your nose in between the knees. In case of hypertension, you have not to hold the breath. Keep on the shallow breath. Slowly, slowly come back. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Shavasana is a deep relaxation technique. We relax our body and mind and concentrate on the breath, and we visualize the body alert yourself and turn to one side and get up. Now we will practice certain pranayama, breathing exercises. Whatever is the position, they might sit in meditative posture, Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana or Purna Padmasana. Place your hands in Gyan Mudra, eyes closed, head and spine straight, facial expression pleasant, soothing and peaceful. Start deep breathing. Inhale deeply, first abdominal breathing, followed by chest breathing, that is thoracic breathing, and followed by clavicular breathing. First inhale, bulge your belly, expand your chest, raise your shoulders, and while exhaling, contract the shoulders, chest and abdomen inside. Continue deep breathing. This is called full yogic breathing. Inhale to the maximum capacity of the lungs and exhale. When you are not able to exhale further, then start inhaling. Slow, deep and long breath. Our breath is our life energy. It rejuvenates the body. By expanding the breathing duration, we expand the vital capacity. We slow down our breathing pattern, breathing frequencies. Slow is the breath, longer is the life, longer is the healthier is the life. You can test your abdominal breathing and chest breathing by keeping one hand on the chest, another hand on the abdomen. And when you do abdominal breathing, inhale and your lower hand should bulge out, your belly bulged out, and followed by expansion of the chest. Chest is expanded further and raise the shoulders up. This is full yogic breathing. And exhaling, contract the shoulders, contract the chest and contract the abdomen, but don't lean forward. Again, start full yogic breathing. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. Come back. Now reverse your hands on the knees, ready for Kapalabhati. It is one of the purificatory techniques of Shatkarma. You have to exhale and exhale actively, and in between the two strokes of exhalations, there is a slight gap. In that, inhale passively, shallow breathing, inhale passively. Start Kapalabhati with medium pace, medium force. Come back. Now, Anulom Vilom Pranayama, left hand in Jnana Mudra, right hand in Nasak Mudra, block the right nostril, inhale through left, slow, steady and long breath, block the left nostril, open the right nostril, exhale through right, inhale through right, exhale through left, continue inhalation through left and exhalation through right, and vice versa. Exhaling through left, please conclude Anulom Vilom Pranayama. This Anulom Vilom Pranayama is very good for those suffering from hypertension, insomnia, headache, and any stress. It releases the stress immediately. Now, Brahmari Pranayama 3 times. Cover your eyes with the first 2 fingers, ring finger below the nose, little finger below the lips. Block your ears with the thumb. Inhale and humming 3 times. Come back. Sit in Jnana Mudra. Concentrate over your breath and visualize your body humming 3 times. Pray to the Almighty for our health, happiness, peace and contentment in our life. So this is the brief yoga session. We will continue the regular yoga session shortly, which will be about 45 minutes yoga session. And Till then, please keep along with us. Stay healthy, stay fit, and stay tuned. Thank you. Namaste.